Hi everyone, I'm here today to visit the final resting place of actor Michael Clarke Duncan. He sadly died at the young age of 54, and he's interred here at Forest Lawn in Hollywood Hills, California. Duncan appeared in more than 30 TV shows and more than 50 movies. He's probably best remembered for his breakout role in the 1999 movie The Green Mile. He co-starred with actor Tom Hanks in the movie, and he was nominated for an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. His crypt is located here in the Court of Remembrance Garden Mausoleum. To get there from here, you walk straight back along the pathway to the third courtyard. Then you turn right and walk down the stairs into the fourth courtyard. Straight ahead, you'll see the final resting place of Debbie Reynolds and Carrie Fisher. Before you get to their crypt, you'll make a left into a much smaller courtyard called the Sanctuary of Trusted Love. This is where you'll find Michael Clarke Duncan's crypt. Once you enter this space, you turn right, and then you'll see his plaque on the left-hand wall. It appears to be one of the newer sections, and he seems to be one of the first residents here. If you're a fan of Duncan, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might also enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see other famous final resting places. So thanks for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time.